Log into your AstraDB account and hit on Create Database. Give a database name and a key space name. The region would be South and hit on Create Database. It will take some time to create the database. Go to SQL console and create a table. So here main is my key space and employee is the table name. Here we can see that our table is created. Go to start.spring.io, select the project type. I'm going with Maven and Spring Boot 2.7.9 version. Let's name it as tutorial and AstraDB for Spring Boot WebFlux AstraDB. So we'll be needing Spring WebFlux, Reactive Web Dependency, Lombok, and Reactive Cassandra. Hit on generate. Unzip the file and open it. If you want to have Swagger UI in your project, you can add these dependencies as well to your project. So I'm going to add these two dependencies. Model, the Java class, deploy, the primary key column annotation is used to specify the ID field is the first partition key of the Cassandra table. The ordinal attribute is used to specify the position of the field in the primary key. In this case, the ID is the only partition key, so its ordinal is 0. Let's go ahead and create a repository class. Repository. Employee repository interface. Extends Reactive Cassandra repository. Check will be employee and key will be integer. We'll be needing the following details in order for us to connect to the AstraDB instance. So we already know the key space name that we have given. So let's enter that name and name. And the rest of the details we need to get from the AstraDB website itself. So go to your database and under connect section download the bundle. Select the region and download the secure bundle. And also you can generate the token as well. So we'll be wanting this client ID will be our username, and client secret will be the password. And this will be our token. Additionally, we will be also needing the data center ID and the region. So we can get the data center ID from the overview tab. And the region. Copy the secure bundle into the resources folder. So copy and paste. And give the secure connect bundle name here. Secure connect emp.zip. So I've gone ahead and created DataStax Astra properties class, which is annotated with @configuration properties. So the properties that are defined with the prefix of datastax.astra in the application.yaml file will be binded with this class. I've annotated the main class with these following annotations. The OpenAPI definition is for Swagger, and the enable configuration properties enables the use of DataStax Astra properties class for configuring the connection to an AstraDB database. And also the SQL session builder, which takes single argument type DataStax Astra properties. This argument is used to access the secure connect bundle property from the DataStax Astra properties class, which helps in connecting our cloud instance of Cassandra database. I have written an employee service class which communicates with the AstraDB instance through employee repository, and also I've created an employee controller class which exposes the REST endpoints for us to use. So let's go ahead and run this application. Enable annotation processing. Okay, we got an error. So we are getting an authentication error. Go to settings. Go to token management and select the role as administrative user and generate a token. Copy the client ID, place the username, password, and also the token. Let's try to run our application again. Okay, now it has started. I think there was some problem with the token generation at the starting, but when I have generated the token from the settings and token management section, it's working fine. So let's process data into our database through Swagger UI. T1 main terminator department, let's say 1000. Let's see if the data got persisted into our database from the get API. Let's execute. So we got the data. Let's verify the same from the SQL console. Use name, select staff from employee. So we got the data persisted into our Astra DB instance.